IKEA has announced their latest turntable. So the turntable is going to be called the Obegränsad. It is a high-end, technically a semi-high-end turntable. It's a collaboration with the band, the popular pop band called Swedish House Mafia and IKEA, and it's equipped with an cartridge from Audio-Technica. So it's a high quality, very high end, not technically super high end, but high end enough turntable to please audiophiles. So look, like I said, collaboration between IKEA, Swedish House Mafia. The collection will include a turntable, as well as other audio related products that, like, including music production deck, a listening chair, and more, much more that will be included when you are getting it. The turntable includes Audio-Technica's cartridge, and that's really okay for most people. The Obegränsad also has both analog and USB output for flexible connection, and it does have a phono preamp for easier connection to stereo receivers and powered speakers. You will have that there. And it really does look pretty nice. Now, availability for it will be at the tail end of the year, at the fall of the year. It's not going to be right now. Like, you're not going to get it right now. So major details about it, like pricing, hasn't come out yet. But you know, when it's a collaboration between a big band and a popular audio brand to make a product, it's not always too cheap, especially when it's a turntable, because turntables are a bit expensive to make. So it's not always something that is that simple and easy to just like afford. But I will bring you guys the pricing, the more details about it once it's like when it becomes official that it's going on sale soon. So that's it majorly. If you're interested to be updated on this, please subscribe to the channel, like our content. I'll see everybody very much next time.